Right, today, surprise, we're doing something we've never done. Right, today, surprise, we're doing something we've never done. Megan's going to walk us through it step by step.
Megan's not real sure how we're going to do this.
Today, we're replacing this awning. See how horrible it is? We've been putting it off long enough. Today's the day. I got it. I've already got it zip tied on each end. As far as I know, I do that, then I power it down so the awning comes down, and unhook the motor, I gotta pin the roller so it doesn't spring loose, undo the bolts, take it off, put the new awning on, right?
That's what you say.
Pebby's, you helping? Supervising? I've got a Allen wrench, I think, worked to pin it, and we got our new awning fabric. Right here. So I'm gonna get this out so it'll get good and warm in the sun. Lay that puppy right up here on the truck. Huh?
Is that why you unroll it?
That's all, unroll it. I think once it gets warm, it'll just unroll. There we go. Been really hot, so it should warm up. We tried to get started before the heat of the day, but we're a little late. So let that warm up. It's going to be, it's kind of gray, fades into white on the top, but we just want something that's going to look a little better. So let me go, well, let us go, get situated, get all our tools, and get started.
So today we may have a new awning, or we may end up with no awning.
True. It's going to be awesome. This will be epic.
I was going to say, do we need me pulling this down? Which way do you want it?
Pull it down to the camper side. That's as far as it goes. I need to make a mark so when well, I guess I can take it off and then mark my cap where it's going to go on.
I don't know, you know.
Alright, I got the pin through the awning. It's just an Allen wrench coming out the other side there. I taped it just so I don't lose it. A little bit of advice, I did not know this, but the motor side you don't pin. The torsion spring is on the left side by the door. The non-motor side has that torsion spring, so that's where I pinned it. So now I think we can just unbolt it, and I'll lift off one end and Megan will lift off the other end. Let's see, I already got my ratchet. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. I had it unplugged earlier, so it's just barely plugged in. There we go. So the motor's unplugged.
You did it all marked.
Yeah, I think I got everything marked pretty good.
Do I need to be on the other side, or?
I don't know why it's making me nervous.
I know. I feel like it's going to come down on my head.
Well, I got it pinned, so it shouldn't spring loose. I don't know how heavy it is.
I can't figure out what direction.
Pound at the bottom.
It pops up though?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm scared.
What are you trying to do?
Feels like it's trying to.
Oh, really?
Alright, so we got it off the arms. There's a little bit of a tense moment. I got it pinned, but when I was lifting it, this acted like it was still under tension, so we didn't know what was going to happen, but we got it. Next, I'm just going to cut that awning, and then that way we can remove the most of it. And then we'll take it apart at the motor end to install the new one. And you see I've got my awning marks, and then V for my valence, so I know how it goes back on. Alright, let's get cutting. Something so satisfying about slicing this awning. I guess I should have changed my blade.
Here, let me hold it. That didn't sound good.
Well, her dog runs out there too, a German Shepherd. She's the one that doesn't have time, right? Ah, man, look at that. We're making progress. Maybe we should go into business.
Look, now that dog's running over that way.
Dogs are out of control.
No, I don't want to be in the awning business. That was a little nerve-wracking.
You won't. Just because we don't know what we're doing, so I didn't know what was going to happen. But we're far from done yet.
Okay,
right.
then.
So I'm going to move this thing to...
Can we get one in there? No?
Put him right there.
Awning will be all fresh.
Well, my Phillips head worked, but that's a square bit, just FYI.
It's just supposed to slide out from there?
Yeah.
What do you need me to do? Want me to pause this?
Yeah.
Just the pop rivet thingies?
Yep. Hopefully I got the right size to go back in it. Well, there's the motor. So you can't pin the motor side. I didn't know that, but I learned that just now. Got the pop rivets out. I guess you could put screws back in these spots. So I've got screws. If my pop rivets are too small, then I'll just use the screws. Alright, we got the awning fabric in the rail of the RV. This isn't the right fabric for this camper or the awning roller, but we're going to make it work because it was given to us. It's got 2 channels at the top, and it doesn't have a valance channel, it just has a 1 channel, but the valance will hang free, so that's not a big deal. It's in, so we're calling it a win so far. It's a little bit shorter than the other one, but again, it was given to us. Are you hot?
Yeah, and buggy.
Alright, well, we're going to get the roller on. A little bit of advice, do the coach first. We put the roller on and then realized, okay, that's going to be hard to thread it up over these arms. We took it back off the roller. So now we're going to put the roller back on and go from there. Pull the pin. And I think what we'll do, I think we'll power it up with these still on there to kind of get it where we want it. Because we're going to have to adjust it side to side before I put that final screw in the awning.
Okay, that makes sense.
So I had to go over there and plug it in. Ooh, it's hot.
Hot, hot, hot. So far, it's up there. Ooh, slow down, slow down, slow down. It's like really wrinkled. Oh God.
It's okay, once I cut the ties, let it out, and it'll use that. At least that's what I'm telling myself.
I was gonna say, I hope so after all that. Holy cow. No, I should have ate my Wheaties before this. Holy cow. Ooh, that breeze feels good.
You and me both.
Would you look at that? That's
What's that for you?
That's a pretty awning you got there. Nice. So do we need to adjust? Or...
Yes, I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, it looks like you know what you're doing.
I think if we get the most of it over the door, because it is shorter.
Oh, I see what you mean. I thought you meant length it was shorter, but you're saying width it's shorter.
Who ever thought we could have done that?
I know, not me, I know that. Might just be where it is.
I think so.
I don't want to mess it up.
Does it really matter that it'll rain at the door?
Yeah. Beautiful, hon. Good job.
Well, let's see how it closes.
Okay. So far, so good, right? Well, a little wrinkly. Oops, big. Got it. Take two. Woohoo!
Wrinkles up from there.
Wrinkles up a little bit down here too, but.
Because the arms are bent.
And how much was it going to cost for them to come replace all this?
$2,500.
And look at that.
Yeah. There you go, guys. Finished product. Got it rolling up good. Extending good. Man, what a world of difference. There's a job to do, but such a great reward. Check one more thing off the list. Well, I'd say the awning passed the rain test. Big old rainstorm came in this evening.
We're just sitting out here enjoying it.
Yeah. Getting a little mist coming in off this side, but the awning's a little shorter than it's supposed to be, but it's working. Done. Yes. We're in here in the air conditioning.
Yep.
If you do this, don't forget to put the little set screw back in the gutter into the beading of the awning. Keeps it in place. Ours is all out of whack because our arms are a little bit bent, so we still got to adjust the arms some. But we got a new awning fabric on the camper. That's huge. That's a big box check. So we're gonna cool off for a minute. Have me my adult beverage as my reward. And then we may go get in the pool.
Yep.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not a how-to video, so we didn't show you step by step, but it does show you that you can do these things if you take your time and you go step by step. The company, Mobile RV Place, wanted, it was $2,300 and some change. I said $2,500, but $2,350 something. To replace that, no thank you. That might be a good price for some of you, but not for us. So anyway, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Toodaloo.